Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt Clipper M2BC grain cleaner. This unit uses ball trays. That's why it has a C at the end of the M2B designation. This unit is powered by a 1/2 horsepower single-phase electric motor. Again, this unit is completely rebuilt. It's in like new condition. We're going to fire this unit up for you in just a minute. But before we do that, we want to do a walk around so you can see the quality of our work. This unit has our brand new polycore auger option. That makes it so that any seeds that go up and through the tube are less likely to break. It reduces breakage, it's gentle handling. This unit has all new bearings. You can see this unit has been completely rebuilt. It's very thorough. It's not just a paint job. We take a lot of pride in our work. You get a machine from us that doesn't cost as much as a new one, but looks like new and works just as good as one. You can see the fan there. This unit is very clean. It's ready to go out and perform. This unit came in with this well-made dust box. Typically, if these units come in with something that was added, we don't keep it, but this was made very nicely. Whoever did it knew what they were doing, so that comes with the unit. This catches any good grains or seeds that get blown out by the blast fan. Let's say that you have your fan sped up too much. Any seeds that get blown out by the fan will get caught here, and then you can actually see what is being blown out instead of having to look on the ground. This makes it a lot easier, and it makes for less cleanup. We're going to fire the unit up for you now. And here you can see the unit running. Fires right up, runs strong, starts strong. We've ran this unit for over an hour. It's a beautiful piece of machinery. It's going to perform as good as a new one and not cost the buyer near as much. You can see the balls shaking around in there. The balls bounce around and they vibrate the screen a little bit, and that keeps the screen from blinding. An all-around nice unit. It's ready to go out and perform again for a long time. You can see the auger turning around in the tube. See the eccentric shaft turning. This unit might as well be a new one. Again, this is an M2BC, which means that it uses ball trays instead of brushes. This seed cleaner and other seed cleaners, larger and smaller, are available from us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell all makes, all models, as well as a wide variety of seed processing and handling machinery. Thank you for watching.